Good afternoon. How is everybody? It's a very warm, sunny Texas day, about 90 degrees. And we are at the Hill County Courthouse, located here in downtown Hillsboro, Texas. And this is one of the most beautiful, largest courthouses I have seen in Texas. This thing is massive, built in 1890. It is very antique. And it's got the old tower clock there on top. Very fancy antique vintage architectural design with all the posts on it and the large windows. So it is very fascinating to see this up close. Okay, here's another view of the courthouse from the side. So on this side it looks slender. So this is the short side. And it was built in 1890 after the city was incorporated in 1881. Okay, here is a side view of the courthouse. This is the small side, and it has a real fancy clock that rings every hour. Built in 1890 after the city was incorporated in 1881. So this is the front of the courthouse.